Today in this video, I'm gonna show you the new audio tool in Adobe Premiere Pro. In fact, it was already in the beta version for a while, but with the new update of Adobe Premiere Pro, now we have it included in the program. A while ago, I made a video on how to make your audio sound like you recorded it with a super microphone using the free Adobe Podcast Enhance website. This website is using artificial intelligence to fix your audio. It's really crazy. I will leave you the link of that video here and also in the description if you wanna see it. But well, the technology of the website moved to the beta version of Premiere Pro, but now with the new update, the program has it incorporated. So let's go and let's see how it works. Okay, this is the test video. I took out the microphone, so I'm using the microphone of the camera so you can hear echo and also you can hear that it's not professional at all. We're going to fix it. Okay, before we start fixing the audio, I want to come here to help and I want to show you exactly which is the version that I'm using. I'm using the last version, 24.2.1. This is actually the new update. Now that you know which version we're using, we're going to go here. The audio is selected. We're going to come here in the corner where we have the workspaces and we're going to go to audio. This workspace is exactly to work with the audio of all our videos, okay? Now, in this window here, in the essential sound window, we can see that we have auto tag, dialogue, music, SFX, and ambience. So we have to choose which kind of audio is this. In this case, it's a dialogue. We know it's a dialogue. But what happens if you have here sound effects, you have music, you have a lot of things here. You just select everything and you can put auto tag, and then the artificial intelligence of Premiere Pro will decide which one is the dialogue, which one is music, SFX, and ambience. And it works really good, so it's amazing. But now because we just have one audio, we are gonna select by ourselves, okay? Don't be lazy, come on, don't be lazy. We're gonna select dialogue. Now Premiere Pro knows that this is a dialogue and it's giving you these options. And look here on the top, it says enhance. This is what is gonna help us to fix our audio. Now, mix amount is exactly the amount of the effect that we are adding. So we add the effect, we check the effect, and then we can add or take out if we like it or not. You have to practice, you have to start to experiment, okay? So let's do this. We're gonna click enhance, and as you can see, it's taking its time. The artificial intelligence is analyzing everything. If there is a sound in the background, even a dog barking, because it's going to take it out. It takes these sounds out and then it leaves just the voice. It's really good. And now we can hear the audio. Okay, this is the test video. I took out the microphone, so I'm using the microphone off. We can actually hear our audio is much better. But remember, I heard that the audio is good, but we can fix it a little bit. I think we can go even up to 9. Okay, it depends of the audio. Every audio is different. I'm gonna leave it there. And now when you hear, actually the volume is gonna go even lower, but it's gonna be fixed. So let's see how much we have to add in volume. This is the test video. I took out the mic. Okay, so we see it's more or less in -15. So if we add like 8, we go here, right click, we put audio gain, and we can put here 8, enter, and let's see if we reach the -6. I took out the microphone, so now it's perfect. We reach the -6. So this is what we want. As simple as that. Now let's hear our audio. Okay, this is the test video. I took out the microphone, so I'm using the microphone of the camera so you can hear echo and also you can hear that it's not professional at all. We're going to fix it. As you can see, it's super easy and it's really crazy what the artificial intelligence can do today. You no longer need to buy a professional microphone to have good audio. Now, if you haven't updated your Premiere Pro yet, I will leave you the link of the Adobe Podcast website in the description since you can still use it for free to fix your audios exactly how I did it with the program right now. Tell me what you think about this new tool in the comments, and now until next week.